housing is quite high standard. It's quite a nice place.
It really is.
And the area
it's a really good community as
really,
well.
really nice. Like obviously Jinan is known for the springs, all the different hot springs and things like that.
Oh, so, sorry, Jinan is called the Spring City.
Yeah, springs
sorry, just little.
Like you walk out of our apartment, you've got fountains everywhere, and like little rivers, and you move across little bridges, and there's so many trees. It's so pretty, and we've got like parks for the children to play in. Like our little complex is a whole community, like everywhere. But from what I've seen of different apartments, they do vary. But you know, with MEF, you're not going to be considered like a slumber guy, you know what I mean?
I mean, unless you opt into it.
Yeah, unless you choose, you can if you want to ask. You know, I'm pretty sure the CAs could help you out with it, and if you could pay in like 100
Hey,
yuan
listen
a month.
guys, I would really like to live in like the dirt slums of China. I just really want to get into the culture. Honestly, if you want to do it, go for it. Like I'm not. I should.
Experience.
Yeah.
It'd be a good experience.
It'd be a heck of an experience.
But no, the housing in general is really nice. Like from what I've experienced, you know, you can't really complain. Everything's cheap.
Yeah.
You know, you could pretty much furnish your apartment yourself for quite cheaply. With 1 month's pay, you can go through your apartment and just change everything.
Yeah. Like.
And I've changed for electric. And heat out.
But honestly though, like if you wanted to go through and just change everything about your apartment, it would take about 1 month's salary. Probably not even that, to be completely honest.
You'd have money left for electric.
Like probably not this month, but maybe in 2 or 3 months, I'm gonna replace that love seat. Like it's just.
I'm gonna get a new bedstand.
Yeah, that love seat's not working for me.
I probably won't even like sleeping on a bedstand now, like with bed frame.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get like a bed frame.
I'm gonna hate it.
You're gonna get like a nice mattress, and you're gonna be like, nah, screw this. I don't want this. You're gonna like have this nice mattress, and then put like your stone mattress on top. But you're gonna be like, all right, now I'm living a good life.
I won't sleep for like 3 weeks because it's just too soft. But yeah, the housing in general is pretty good, especially like if you're working with MEF, you're not going to be anywhere which is some city or anything.
Cleaning stuff, super cheap, you know.
Oh, Bleach, my best friend.
Oh, hello, my new best friend Bleach. So one of the things that I like, at least in my apartment, and Carys can tell you stories about my passion and love for squeegees, but the floors are tile, right? And so you just take a mop. Honestly, I'm even debating, maybe I didn't even need a mop. Just take water and just toss it on the floor, and then you just take a squeegee and then you just squeegee it all out to the drain. Your floor is spotless, it's completely dry, it's fantastic. Like I had carpets growing up, so like this concept of living and cleaning tile is like marvelous.
My favorite thing to do is like I mix. We should do this. I put like bleach in with the water and everything, and I just kind of basically get the mop. Like it's one of those the mops that are common here are like big sticks with like bits of like fabric just tied to the bottom.
It's like a raggy mop.
They're brilliant. They really are really good. So you just kind of like, I don't even have like the drain, to like wring it out. Out the water.
Mm-hmm.
So I just dunk it in the water and I just like throw it across the floor, and then I just like leave my mop or my bucket outside my front door, close it, come into work. By the time I get there, my floor's lovely and sparkly and it smells like bleach. It's beautiful.
You should always squeegee your floor. Don't listen to it. I have like 4 squeegees in my apartment.
I think
they're amazing.
You set me up to get 3 of them.
But
anyway.
But yeah, that's kind of like that basically wraps up housing.
Shopping and
it's cheap enough that you can spend your excess money from your salary to upgrade your apartment, get whatever you want. I'll be upgrading and getting a new sofa, just something that I can lay on. Like I'm a tall guy, and a love seat just isn't. It's just not gonna cut it. Like
especially when you got food, people come over food.
Yeah, and I cook all the time, so I always want to have people over at my apartment. So like I needed a different setup, and it's fine. Like I've got I know what I want to do, and I've got the salary to do it.